nostro competitor andrà a fare un cuore e dovrà riproporre la figura di Giuseppe, che è il Cupido, e dovrà farlo dentro il fondo della moca. La difficoltà aumenta, doppia responsabilità. Deve farlo Giuseppe, ma deve farlo dentro al contenitore della moca. Ecco che fa, comincia a amalgamare il latte con il caffè. Brava Nadia. Vedete che va a argomentare quello che starà facendo ai nostri giudici. One minute left. Un applauso! So Sebastian, few seconds and after I leave you to go. So, few seconds just for us. So what do you think?
A little bit nervous, emotional actually, for me, but was very nice.
Emotion because we are in Syracuse, obviously.
Yes, of course, and the town is so beautiful, and I want to make a pretty good job, and that's why there are lots of flights over here. So.
Did you enjoy Sicily?
Oh yeah, the food was amazing, the people are amazing, and it's amazing overall here.
Okay, thank you very much and see you to Silvia.